Hello everyone, welcome back to another 5-Minute Friday. We're going to be doing an eye today that is a sleepy eye or a drunk eye. And so I want to show you how you can do that. And so the first thing we're going to do is round this 90-degree angle here because the eyeball is round. And so we're going to start on a round surface. So we're going to take our knife here and remove the corner waist here and create a roundness of this block of wood. All right, now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to basically take our pencil here and to show you a reference, and just kind of gives you an idea. So what we're going to do is take our V tool here, and we're going to outline our pencil marks here. And I want to go just a little deeper here. Yeah, that's what we need to do. And what we're doing is making that eyeball or the eyelids stand out. And what we're doing is basically taking the wood away from the waist, from the upper and lower part of the eye area. And so you'll see here that we've got a mound now, and you can round that off a little bit. And round that eye mound, because in reality that's going to be that's the two lids together. But now we're going to take our U-gouge here. We're going to start right here, and we're just going to put a cut straight across to kind of separate those, to create those two lids. All right, now we're going to take our knife and we're going to make a cut here, and then I'm going to turn it around and we're going to make a cut here. And again, we're just using the very tip of the knife, and we're creating the eyeball in there. And again, we're just taking our knife and removing the waist that would be in here. And we're going to see if we can get this guy looking sleepy or whatever here. Now, to take this eyelid, we're going to take our knife and we're going to cut back and make this lid thinner right through here. And coming down from the top of the bottom lid and cutting toward the bottom here to give us a more distinct looking lid here. Get my brush here. And we're going to take our knife now and open that up just a little bit more. Now you can make this as wide as you want or as narrow as you want. But I've decided we're going to do a little narrow, and it looks like he's kind of halfway asleep. And this takes a little time, but that's all right. That's what we've got is time. All right, so now we're going to come out through here with our V tool and put in the wrinkles like that there. But now we're going to set this bottom eyelid underneath here just a little bit, because it does set underneath the top lid just a little bit. When you look in the mirror, you'll notice that our lid kind of tucks underneath there just a little bit. We want to do that on both sides. On both sides of that. Get that bottom lid kind of tucked up into the top lid there. All right, so now we're going to take this and we're going to, again, you can make this as deep as you'd like, right through here. And really enhance those lids, make them heavy. Look how heavy that's looking. I like that. See how deeper, made a bigger looking line there, more distinct line. And then whenever you're going to do like a drunk hillbilly, if you want to do something like that, or a sleepy hillbilly, it depends on what size of a pupil you make. And so right now we're just going to do a sleepy eye. And the larger you make the pupil, the more intoxicated he looks. The smaller, the more sleepy he looks. And so right there is basically how you do a really thick eyelid and a sleepy eye or a drunk eye. And again, it's all too about the placement of where you put that pupil in there. And so at the end of the day, you've got a neat looking eye there, and you're going to go in here and tweak things a little bit. And again, we're going to put in the eyebrows a little bit here. Just show a little action there on this guy. And right there, we got a piece that wants to hang on there. And so anyway, that's what a sleepy eye looks like. As you can see there on the camera, that you can really enhance your carving, give him a different expression by the eyes. And of course the mouth has a lot to do with it also too, and giving that drunk look or a sleepy look. So anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed it, and thank you for joining us on 5 Minute Friday. And I hope that you will subscribe and like us, and share a comment down below on some thoughts you'd like to see on future projects. And we'll see you soon. Happy carving.